here.
What do you got, Sid?
I don't know. I got
Is this a fish?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Slow down.
Third one now.
Slow down.
Slow down.
What'd you get? What'd you get?
The big one. Oh,
Oh, wow. Look at that, Sydney.
Yep. That's my third one today. And Mom got 0. And Dad got 1.
Well, Mom didn't fish.
Yeah, she doesn't like fishing.
watch out. He might flip off though.
Sid, look at the camera.
Pick him up, Sid. Don't let him. Ready? Pick him up. Don't get him near the water.
Watch out for the dog. Dog will eat it.
There you go. Watch the fish.
Nice. I'm taking a video, so.
Oh.
Oh, you did.
Carly would never do that.
Look at this dog right there. Keeps trying to eat the fish.
You can put him in the bucket.
Get him, City?
Put him in the bucket. Nice.
They're alive. There's 2 alive.
Watch them. Alright, good job.
How was fishing, Sid? Do you like it?
Oh, Mom, look what else Sydney caught.
Oh,
Nice catch, Sid. You
look
got
at
it.
Mommy. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Right on.
Look at that fish.
Yeah.
That's weird.